to talk about ASINN, which stands for a Sustainable Initiative in Empowering Actions for Resilient Terrestrial Habitats. We have Maynard, Agraan, and Lorenz, Agustin from the Mariano Marcos State University, Philippines.
Hello everyone, may I ask if can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Maynard, please take it away. While waiting, you know what? I'm so excited to share this initiative to the worldwide. All right, I think we're ready. And our presentation shall start in 3, 2, 1. Imagine a world where lush greenery blankets our landscapes, where air is fresh and clean, and where wildlife thrives in harmony with humanity. A world where our actions today ensure a vibrant and sustainable tomorrow. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the profound significance of preserving our planet and nurturing it for generations to come. As we stand at the crossroads of environmental challenges and opportunities, the urgency to adopt sustainable practices has never been more evident. From the rising threat of climate change to the depletion of natural resources, the stakes are high and the time for action is definitely now.
Greetings to everyone. Mabuhay from the Philippines. Hello and a warm welcome to our friends joining us online and worldwide. We are incredibly excited to introduce our initiative, which we believe holds immense potential to make a positive impact around the world. I am Maynard Agustin Agraan, the Assistant Secretary of the Sophomore Class Organization, a second-year student taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in ICT. And I am with me is Lorenz Agustin, the Governor of the Sophomore Class Organization, also a second-year student taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. And we are your presenters for ASINN.
A catalyst for change and a testament to the power of collective action. Sang-sang kamay sa pariti progreso. Or should I say, unity for progress. I am with great pride and honor as I introduce to all of you our esteemed organization and the profound initiatives we're championing. This is the Sophomore Class Organization, an academic organization of MMSU College of Teacher Education, and it composes of 13 officials with the guidance of our two advisors, namely Mr. Charbel Galera and Mr. Enrique Christopher Pomino.
As the students of tomorrow, students and student leaders hold a unique position of influence and responsibility in shaping the future of our planet. In our era marked by escalating environmental challenges, the role of student leaders in championing sustainability and environmental conservation has never been more critical. With that, the organization is proudly presenting ASINN, a sustainable initiative nurturing our nature. First and foremost, let's us talk about sustainability. Trees are nature's architects, silently working to clean our air, stabilize our soil, and combat climate change. By ASINN, we are investing a sustainable future. One, where clean air inside the CTE campus, fresh water, and thriving ecosystems around us are not just a dream but a reality. But sustainability is just the beginning. Our initiative aims to protect biodiversity, the rich tapestry of life that makes our planet so extraordinary. Creating awareness is one of our top priorities to make this initiative successful. ASINN is about a long-term impact. While the act of creating awareness may seem small, its effect ripple outward, shaping the landscape and shaping the future. Through careful planning, monitoring, and through community and student engagement, we are committed to ensure that our initiative continue to grow. For generations to come, we also promise that even this academic year will end, the ASINN shall continue in our third year and fourth year, and even when we already end our academic journey here in the university. Our initiative is aligned with several key sustainable development goals. First is the Goal 13, Climate Action. Goal 15, Life on Land. And Goal 17, Partnerships for the Goals. By creating awareness, we are not only mitigating climate change and protecting biodiversity, but also fostering collaboration and collective actions towards a more sustainable CTE.
Creating awareness among students about environmental issues is essential for building a sustainable school and future. Through ASINN, we are educating and empowering students to become PI. PI, P stands for proactive stewards of the environment. I is for informed, and E is for engaged. With that being said, we can foster a culture of environmental sustainability or responsibility and collective action. We wanted to conduct ASINN as it will serve as an eye-opener to everybody that this initiative of our organization will provide a hands-on experience that allows youth and students to reconnect with the natural world in a meaningful way. As they dig holes, plant seedlings, and nurture young trees, they develop a sense of awe and appreciation for beauty and resilience of the environment, fostering a deeper connection to the ecosystems that sustain life on Earth. And I am honored to say that this will start right over here at MMSU College of Teacher Education. You know what? As students and student leaders, such as the Sophomore class organization, engage in activities like this, definitely we will serve as ambassadors for environmental conservation, spreading knowledge among our peers and inspiring others inside and outside the MMSU campus to take action. By amplifying their voices, students play a critical role in raising the profile of environmental issues and mobilizing support for solution. With that, ASINN is one of our solutions.
To effectively implement this initiative, we came up with these phases. So for the phase one, the distribution of IECC materials or the information, education, and communications campaign materials to educate students on environmental initiatives is a powerful strategy for nurturing environmentally conscious and empowered students. We are leveraging the effectiveness of this material in engaging the education students. What is all about ASINN? Who are the participants? And what is the benefit of this initiative? Also, environmental education becomes more accessible, inclusive, and impactful. We started the IEC distribution last January 2024 up until now. We are doing it every last week of the month. As we strive to build a sustainable future, investing in the distribution of IECC materials to students remains essential in fostering a generation of environmentally literate students who are equipped to address the environmental challenges of tomorrow. This is also a huge help in preparation in the tree planting activity, which is another part of this initiative.
By involving the students in the feedback process, we're also building a support network for our initiative. When the students feel that their voices are heard and valued, they are more likely to become advocates and supporters of our cause, thereby increasing the reach and influence of our initiative. Our fellow students bring diverse perspectives and experiences to the table. They said that the information drive that we did was a helpful tool for them to be more aware, and at the same time, they are now encouraged to join us with the ASINN initiative, which they feel like helping the environment in this little activity of ours is a must. Environmental and sustainable initiatives often face evolving challenges and changing circumstances. Being open to suggestions enables our initiative to adapt more effectively to new information, ensuring its relevance and resilience over time. I can still remember that one student suggested to plant a yellow trumpet in the campus. Upon searching, trumpet trees are known for their striking beauty, especially with their bloom, vibrant flowers in shades of pink, purple, yellow, or white here in the Philippines. Planting these trees in school environment enhances the aesthetic appeal of the campus, creating a visually pleasing and inviting atmosphere for students, teachers, and visitors, and so suggestion accepted.
In the last phase, it is the formulation of the activity to support the IECC. With the positive feedbacks we receive from the phase 2 of this initiative, from the recognition of our efforts and achievements. It validates our hard works and dedications, instilling a sense of pride and satisfaction. This positive reinforcement energizes us to continue performing at our best. The governor called a meeting for the next step of this activity. He discussed the materials needed, the seedlings to prepare, and the papers to craft. Now, we go to the tree planting. Here is the sample of our official poster for the tree planting activity, with its theme, Rooting for Greener Tomorrow, Planting Trees, Growing Hope. ASINN is one way of a greener tomorrow, where the earth thrives and the humanity flourishes in harmony with nature. Beside the poster is the map for the tree planting activity that will serve as a guide for the students and the attendees as well. Here's the sample of the yellow trumpet trees. Their vibrant yellow blossoms can indeed transform campus into colorful and inviting environment. Not only do they add beauty and charm, but they also contribute to the overall sustainability and ecological balance of the campus.
Our ASINN systematic framework for planning, implementing, and monitoring various aspects of the process. In level 1, formulating a resolution is part of the planning process. Under here is the outlining and the sequence of tasks and decision points involved. This includes identifying suitable planting sites, selecting appropriate tree, which we already select one, the yellow trumpet, estimating resource requirements, and scheduling our planting activities. After that, we go to the level 2, distribution of IECC materials, which we started already and plan to continue every last week of the month for sustainability. And in level 3, we receive positive feedbacks regarding tree planting, which serves as our motivation and inspiration to do and continue for more. Under level 4 are the following things to do to ensure the sustainability of the initiative. Establish the monitoring and evaluation to assess the effectiveness and impact of tree planting initiatives over time. And develop monitoring protocols to track tree growth, survival rates, ecosystem health, and community and school benefits. With that being said, we are now ready to proceed with the level 5, which is the tree planting implementation. After following all of these phrases and processes, I firmly believe that we will now achieve sustainable initiative nurturing our nature.
It is understandable that busy schedules can pose challenges to student participation in the SIN initiative. However, with a well-thought-out strategy, it's possible to overcome these obstacles and encourage meaningful engagement. Example of flexible timing. I know that students have diverse schedules and commitments. Or offer flexibility in timing for participation in environmental initiatives, such as organizing activities during lunch breaks, after school hours, or weekends. If possible, we will provide multiple options for involvement to accommodate different availability and preferences. On the other hand, embrace a culture of continuous learning, adaptation, and the innovation in ASINN initiatives. Monitor and evaluate project outcomes to solicit feedbacks from students and staffs, and incorporate lessons learned into future planning and implementation processes. Stay informed to improve the effectiveness and sustainability of these tree planting efforts.
You know what? Tree planting is essential for promoting human health, enhancing ecosystems stability, and fostering a sustainable planet. By recognizing the multifaceted benefits of trees and investing a sustainable initiative nurturing our nature activity of our organization, students and in the community can create healthier, more resilient environment for current and future generations. However, Realizing the full potential of tree planting requires collective action, collaboration, and long-term commitment from government, organizations, and individuals worldwide. Together, let us plant the seeds of a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future, one tree at a time. Hashtag ASINN.